Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, Priyanshi?
Fine, fine, ma'am.
How is Shishesh? Arnav?
Ma'am, how are you now?
I'm fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm fine. Let's see when we will meet now. I don't know.
Yes.
Depends on Modi.
In May there will be classes, ma'am, or there will be holidays.
Vacation they will give.
Yes, ma'am. We want some vacation.
Much
Yeah.
homework.
You want vacation? Then vacation, what will you
3
do?
hour
Go to Goa or
every
Abu?
day.
No,
We will
no,
relax.
Corona is
Relax.
there.
We will
You
not
are
study.
already relaxing.
But ma'am, in the morning, 9 to 1.
And that then I'm having classes 1 to
And then,
4.
Yes,
yeah,
other class there
vibration
also.
academy and all.
Okay.
7 hours
You are
screen time.
always, that dukhi atma only. You are never you are happy. You are in school, you are not happy. At home, you are not happy.
Now
In
we
school,
want to come
school
to
we are
school, madam.
happy. Yes,
Yes.
now we want to come to school.
But Priyanshi is saying, I need vacation. Ask her.
But in the May we are getting vacations, no, from school also.
Oh, from school also. So, you are
Some
free and
1-2 weeks
you
we
need
need,
all
madam.
the good things only. So tell me who has done the homework? Shishesh?
Me.
I
मैडम
have done.
Girls have already done.
शिशेष तो फोन लगाऊंगी
Which
तेरी
homework?
मम्मी को होशियारी की तो okay, not to worry, you know what I'm going to do. Huh, शिशेष? Somebody is writing, I have already done. Jeel. Okay, good Jeel.
Madam, then you discuss because so much
So much doubts are
different
there, madam.
answers
Then
and all.
ask me. You're not
Different.
asking, so I think nobody is doing the homework. No doubts. Ask me.
everybody is getting different solution.
Different
Yes,
answer,
ma'am.
madam.
Different
A lot
different
of
answers.
confusion is
Okay,
also there.
see what we will do is someone can share the screen and display if they have made in soft copy. Otherwise, show me in camera so that I can understand you're right or not.
I have done.
Yes.
How I
Who has a doubt? First raise hand.
Madam,
Okay, yes, the way. Start.
Madam, first doubt is that if there is an availability of making a chord instead of a pair,
Yes.
yeah, but redundancy is happening.
Show me.
So if we have to make pair or chord, we can make even though redundancy is
Please
happening.
understand the meaning of redundancy. Redundancy is all the elements
All.
which are part of some other group, those you have used in your group, that is redundancy. Even one member is not a part of some group, then it is not redundancy. Other three are repeated, that is not redundancy.
Oh.
Do you understand what I am trying to say?
Yes.
Yes, who else?
Madam, in seventh question, first part, all pairs are only there. Then it's
So
okay,
no
no? Then
problem.
no
No
chord, octave,
problem.
all pairs.
If it is not
Madam, in
there,
7th C,
hmm.
we did yesterday. If we are
Yes,
doing pair,
yes,
we are getting different answer, and if we are doing quads, then we are getting different
But you
answer.
should do
different
quads
answer.
only. If quad is possible, you cannot make a pair. You are wrong.
Madam, they
But
will give
madam, if
wrong
we are
answer
making
then.
chord, then one is repeated, means redundancy is happening.
One is repeated. No, all are not repeated. Why don't you understand? Redundancy is if everyone is repeated out of in a chord. If all four you have repeated in some other group, then it is redundancy.
Okay.
Understood?
Madam, but you said that if you make pair or quad, every answer will be same.
Answer will be same after simplification. If you don't know how to simplify, then it is not same.
Yes,
You
answer
know
is
how to
coming same.
simplify the answer. I will give you an example later. Do you understand?
Yes.
You can show the solution to me.
Yes, yes.
The problem is you are not ready to show the solution because you are writing, as if it is your art exam. Freehand drawing you all have done. I know everything. Yes, now who has raised hand? Yes. Purvam has raised hand and Arnav. Yes, any doubt? See, I will tell you this solution. Yesterday, I have told this to my class 10 also. If you have a particular doubt, it is very difficult that I'll be able to solve in between 17 or 19 students. What you are supposed to do is take a picture. If you have made a soft copy, send me an email. I'm writing my email address here. Okay. So the best solution is I will answer you personally very quickly. This is my email ID. Shishaj is saying, I forgot to take textbook pictures. Wow, bhai, wow. How smart you are. 3 questions you were asked. You cannot ask your friends to send the pic through WhatsApp. Wow, wow, wow. If you want to give me an excuse, give a good one. Do you understand what I'm trying to say, Purvam?
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
have a doubt, you send me the pic of both the solutions, where you have made only pairs and where you have made the quads also. Don't worry. Take a picture
Okay.
with camera on your mobile or use Cam Scanner. You all are smart. Cam Scanner app.
Yes, I will send. Yes.
Okay, and send it to me. Clear? Any general doubt if you have, you can ask right now. No? Only 18 students are there. I don't know. So 17. So 2 are missing. Who is missing? Siddharth and Ayush. No, Siddharth to hai. So Ayush and
Ishan.
who else?
Harsh.
Harsh
She's
was the
there.
first
Ishan
one
is
to
not
join.
there. Ishan.
Ishan.
Ishan is not there.
Ishan.
Okay, so today Ishan ka number aa gaya. Bhai, Ishan ka number aa gaya. Not a problem. I have taken the pic. Whoever is not there, they will also have to answer. I hope you know that if you remain absent for a long time, we will talk to your parents and tell them कि घर पे क्या कर रहे हैं आपके बच्चे. You know. So please understand, we are not less. Every day we give the report. That who is absent, who is present, who is keeping the camera off, and then we give the suggestions also that what might they will be doing, like walking, you know, eating, sleeping. See, okay. So don't think that and why this Saunak is wearing a cap.
Taklo.
What happened?
Taklu.
Okay, I'm going to share the screen now. Today what we are going to do, we are going to solve a 10-mark question. Till now, whatever we have solved, it was 5-mark question. Your life was really easy because you were getting the numbers. That this number, the value is 1. This numbers are positive. Now make the KMF and solve the equation. Now, and then we move to the question where you are getting the terms A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Now we will solve a question where you will not be given anything. You will have to make the truth table on your own. You have solved this question for 5 marks in your final exam. But after that, we will move one step further where we will solve this with K-map. These kind of questions were asked for 10 marks. If it is asked for 10 marks, good, because it is very easy. If they remove the K-map part, it can be asked for 5 marks. So I'm going to share the screen. Let's first read the question. Okay, so for reading the question, the question is a little lengthy, nothing to worry. We will read it. Okay, the question is, a school intends to select candidates for the inter-school. I hope it is visible to you. I have not put you on mute today, but that doesn't mean that you will sing songs and, you know, speak something. So a school intends to select candidates for the inter-school athlete meet as per this criteria. What is criteria? First is the candidate is from the senior school and has participated in an inter-school athletic meet earlier, or the candidate is not from senior school, but the height is 5 feet and weight is between 50 to 60. Or the candidate is from senior school, has a height of 5 to 6 feet, but the weight is not this. Now you have these inputs. Inputs are S is the student is from the senior school. W is weight is between 50 to 60. H height is between 5 to 6 feet. And A is taken part in inter-school athletic meet earlier. So what are the variable names here? These are variable names. Can you change the variable names? Shall we take it immediately?
No.
No, we will not make it A, B, C, D. So what we are going to do is, we will make a truth table first, because here you are not having the truth table. Your life is not very simple in this question now. So we will make a truth table where the variable names will be S, W, H, and A. And how many combinations we are going to get for this?
16. 16.
16.
16, because 2 raised to 4 is 16.
2 power 4, yes.
Okay, now the problem is that how we will put the value of the answer column, the last column, the result column, uska answer kahan se layenge? So the answer we will get from these three options. The candidate is from the senior school, so S should be
S.
1, and has participated in an inter-school athletic meet. वो कौन सा है? A. So A should be 1. So if S is 1 and A is 1, then the answer will be 1. This is our first option. Like that, we have 3 conditions. We will have to follow all 3 to get the answers of this whole equation. Then we will get the question. We are doing this only to get the question, and the weightage for this is 5 marks. After that, the question is reduced using K-map. Then it gives you 5 marks. So 5 marks for making the truth table and finding the equation of the, SOP.
One.
Here it is SOP. It is mentioned here. See, 1 indicates yes, 0 indicates this, and reduce the SOP expression. They have already told you if it is POS, you will take care of only 0 terms. Agar SOP hai, so for you 1 term is important.
1.
Terms. Okay, so let us start making this answer, solving this question. So I have opened a Word file now. Already I have, please move this window away, resume share. Okay, so I stop share. Again, I will have to share. Let me put you on mute, or you will not speak anything. Don't speak anything. You are not on mute. If any doubt, you can speak. Tell me the variable names. The variable names are
S.
S, W, H, A.
W.
TA.
S,
A.
W, H, A. Okay, so now this will be the answer. This is the answer of the question. So it will be X. It will be X. Now here, I need 2 windows now. This is problematic because I'm not able to read. But let us make the table first. What will be the options for S? How many zeros and how many ones?
8.
8
0, 0.
zeros and 8 1.
I hope you know this. I'm not ready now to
Yes,
teach you
ma'am.
this again. If you want, you can join the 11th standard students next year. Yes? Shaunak is saying, "Ha bhai." Am I right? 8 zeros, 8 1, then 4 zeros, 4 1, 4 0,
4
1.
1.
Now 2
2
zeros,
0 2
2
1.
1. Nobody should forget this. This is your ABCD. But we forget ABCD only, madam. What are you talking? Okay, now 0 1 0 1. Okay, please be very careful that there should be 16 columns only. You cannot have 18, 20 or something. You will get a wrong answer. So now we will find out that what is the answer here for S equal to 0, W 0, H 0 and A 0. If everything is 0, what should be the answer? According to me, answer should be 0.
0.
But for that, we will have to see that what is the question. So what I'm going to do is how to solve this question. Please understand this. For solving this question, you will have to read the question very, very carefully. Okay, so let me read the question again, and there is a trick that I will tell you. It is a very simple trick. First is, what is the, here. What is the first option for answer to be true? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन अगर आंसर
SD.
ट्रू है तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? द कैंडिडेट इज फ्रॉम द सीनियर स्कूल, सो एस. The proposition a student is from the senior school is given a boolean variable, it is s. So s should be 1.
One.
This is your first option, but it is not only s should be 1, it is inter school athletic meet earlier में participate भी करना होना चाहिए. So s1 and a1.
A1.
What I will do is in this sheet, which you won't be able to see, but I am writing here. Here I am writing that S should be 1 and A should be 1. Okay. Now, what is the second option? The second criteria is the candidate is not from the senior school, means S should be
S dash.
Zero.
Zero.
S का value 0 होना चाहिए, means S is negative. So S is 0. Height is 5 feet to 6 feet. So H should be 1.
One.
One. And W.
Okay, and weight should
W
be
should be
between 50 to 60.
C.
So W and H should be 1 and S should be 0.
1.
So I'm writing
And
it
S
here.
should be 0.
Second is S should be 0 and W should be 1 and H should be 1. This is my second option. Don't worry, I'll show you the word sheet. I'm writing in the word file which we are making anyway. Now the third option is the candidate is from the senior school. So S is 1.
One.
Height
One.
is 5 to 6 feet. So H is
1.
1.
One.
So SH1, but the weight is not 50 to
W
60.
zero.
So
W
is
zero.
0. So SH1,
S is 1 and H should be
S
1.
is 1, H is 1 and W is,
Zero.
Zero.
these are the three options. So what I have done here is, see what I have done. I have written the key points here. Can you see this? Yes, I have written the key points here that S is 1 and A is 1, so answer should be 1. S is 0, W is 1, H is 1, then answer should be 1. S is 1, H is 1, but W is 0, then answer should be 1. So now let us see how we are going to solve this question. Let us find out where S and A are 1. Now here, the value of W and
H.
H does not matter. The value of W and H does not matter. Let it be 1, let it be 0. Okay. So find out where is S1. So S is 1 here.
Last.
Okay. Now S is 1
Second
here.
one.
Now find out where is A. A is 1 here. Here. बराबर. So answer यहाँ लिखना है 1. Do you understand? It's very simple. If you are confused, then your truth table is wrong. If truth table is wrong, your K-map will always be wrong. You cannot make it correct because the position of the numbers will be different. Okay. So now this first thing is over. Done. Khatam. Now let us see this. S is 0, W1 and H1. Where is S0? S is 0 here.
First is.
Okay. Here. Now where is W1? So this. Do you understand? You will have to simplify these things. अब मुझे ऊपर का देखने की जरूरत नहीं है because S is 0 but W is 0, तो वो कभी true नहीं होगा. Please understand, simplify the question, then only you will be correct. Now what I want H1. H1 कहाँ पे है? Only these.
Last two.
So actually your answer will be true only for these two. See, S0, W1, H1. Am I right?
Yes.
So let me write 1, 1 here. Who has a doubt? You can ask. For chats, I have to close this sharing. Okay, who is done? What is done? Bhai, khabar nahi. Okay. So here we have already solved first two criteria. Khatam ho gaye first two criteria. Okay, now third criteria. That's the highlight color I'm using. Okay, now third is S should be 1. So where is S1? S1 hai yahan. Oh, nothing. Control Z. Barabar.
Only one die.
Okay. So as this pick, I should slow it down. चलो भाई नीचे जाओ. अच्छा, table ही बड़ा है. Okay. So S is 1 here. Okay. Now H should be 1. Where is H1? H is 1 here, in between.
5th and 6th.
Okay. And sorry.
G.
Happening. And W should be 0. Where is W 0? Here. So these two will be 1. Am I
Yes.
right? If I'm wrong, please tell me. 1, 0, 1. So we want that only. This H should come later so that we are in a order. Control X.
Completely.
So 101. Where is 101? 101 we have here. See, we have 101 here.
Yeah.
And we have 101 here. Mouse is a troublemaker. Okay. Here. But there was already a 1 here. So I can't change it. Already 1 tha yahan pe, so we are not supposed to change it. Now where is 101? Next 101 is nowhere. Do you
Not there.
understand? There are only these 4 options for us. 1010 itna hi hai. But here there is 1 and here upper 2 there is 00. So actually the options are these 2 only. Please understand this. So basically our K map is done. Not K map. It is truth table.
Truth table.
Our truth table is ready. So wherever we have nothing, we will place a 0 here.
0.
So you put it or you don't put it, it doesn't make a difference, but it is a good practice. So we are putting a 0 here. Now we will make the K map. So if you don't know how to solve the K map, then also for this you will get 5 marks. But at least this you should know. Huh? Okay. So here we have solved the truth table. Now let us make the K map from this truth table. Did you understand that now we have got these numbers? I'm going to erase this. So let me put it somewhere else. I will insert a column here. Okay. This is the designation. Or you should say the equation also you can say, but not, we need a designation only. So what is this designation? This is SOP. So designation is M0. Chota M hai, bada M nahi hai. You will understand. Next will be M1. I hope you know this. So actually, which is the place where we are supposed to put a 1? You will get it from here. So where is 1 here? 6 number. 6. Yes. Then 7. So if the question is summation of 6, 7, then where else we have 9,
10, 11.
10, 11,
10, 11.
13, 15.
13, 15.
14, and 15. So these places are ones for us. So now you have got the question. Now you have got the question. The question is function of, what are the variable names? S, W, A is equal to summation. Where is the summation symbol? Here. Now you have got the question. If you are getting easily till now, this is your question. So for this you are getting 5. And after this, what you will do? You will make the K map as you have made earlier. But let me tell you, these kind of questions were asked for 10 marks till last year. When the paper was of 100 marks, your theory paper was of 100 marks. Now your theory paper is of 70 marks. So what they ask is, they ask till this only. They don't ask you K map. So this question is worth 5 marks. But you should be ready. because they can ask the question for 10 marks anytime without giving any reminders to you that okay, now we are changing the paper style or we will ask this kind of question. So let us make the K-map for this. Okay. Six, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. Yes, we are right. Okay. So now what we will do? Make a K-map. How to make a K-map? Oh my God, nobody knows. Huh?
Zero.
You know?
Yeah.
But
4 rows and 4 columns.
For call.
I just want to delete this row. Let me delete it. Let me copy paste this somewhere else. Who is yawning at anything? Bhai, sleep at night.
G2.
Okay, so let me delete this column and then we will start solving the K-map. Row. ये photo बड़ा दिखता है. Okay, not to worry. I will make it here. Okay. So what we are going to do is control V. This is the question. Now insert a table. 16.
Then 4 pair.
And here also one more. Okay.
What?
This is your SW and this is your HA. Can I change the order of the variables? No, no, no.
No.
Never. Now tell me the place. I don't know. Where to put it? This is 0. 1,
0,
3, 2,
1,
1,
4,
3, 2,
5,
at the
4,
end 2.
5, 7, 6.
and this is 7. Am I right? This is 8.
Yes.
This is 9. This is 10. This is 11. This is 12. 13. This is
Yes.
14. And this is 15. Am I right?
Yes.
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 So now tell me.
2 quad and 1 pair.
One quad and 2 pairs.
2 quad and 1 pair. No.
One quad and
One chord and two
Quad
pairs.
and 2 pairs.
1 quad and 2 pair, yeah.
Don't tell me 1 quad 2 pair. You know the place value. Which place is this? Place number कौन सा है ये? 7.
13. 13.
13.
7.
7 and 6.
Oh, this is 7. नीचे वाला is 13. This is 7. This
हाँ.
is
6.
6. के बाजू वाला, हाँ, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Below 7, 15.
Let me highlight this whole thing so that you can understand कि K-map इतना ही है. कोई बात नहीं. Okay. So what is this place?
15.
15. This one?
15.
Okay, here. This one?
30.
1, 2, 3,
13.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. चलो,
9 and then 11.
9 and 11.
9 or फिर
9,
11 or
11, 10.
11. This is 10.
10.
This is
That 13.
Madam.
12.
13.
What is 15?
हाँ.
Okay, now tell me the quad or pair or whatever.
9, 13,
13, 15, 9, 11.
Quad.
Yeah, quad.
13, 15, 9, 11.
Raise hand.
Eh?
Oh.
Okay.
Raise hand. Wait.
Okay, Panth. Panth has raised hand.
13,
Ma'am,
15, 15, 9 and 11
Pair or
is 1 quad.
second and
Quad,
third
quad.
row.
How many punches you have to say?
7 and 6 is one pair.
Okay.
11 and 10 is the other pair.
Yes.
And 13, 15, 9 and 11 is the quad.
Yes. This is the correct answer. See, first of all, we will start with the quad. We will not first start with the pair because the rule is first try to make an octet. Octet तो possible नहीं है because there are no 8 ones only. 8 है ही नहीं. So what we can do is insert shape and I'll try again. That. Yes, order and behind text. Chalo. So this is our first quad. Anybody has a doubt here? You think this is not a quad? Raise hand. Nobody. Now what happens? These two can make a pair. See, there is a chance that you can make a pair with this 7 and 15 also. But then this one is all alone. What is the best solution? The best solution is make a pair of these two. These two. Now the problem is only this one is alone. Now the way you had a doubt, redundancy. Now I have no other solution of joining this one with this one, which is already in the group of some other, quad. But the problem is if I don't make a pair between these two, this one is left alone. That is not the correct way. So even if we are repeating this one in two groups, I will make a pair of number 10 and 11. Please understand this. You should not be confused. This is not redundancy at all. This is not redundancy. Do you understand?
Yes.
So there is one quad and two pairs. So now what you will write? What have I taught you? Quad. Then pair 1. Then pair 2. So how will you solve this is up to you. You will have to write this S bar, W bar. Am I right? Then S bar, W. Then SW.
SW bar.
If I am wrong, you should correct me because my memory is not very good. I always apply logic. Never I use my memory. Okay, so this is the way you will simplify the expression. Because it is SOP, your answer will be in this form. Let me tell you the answer. Seedha, I have the answer with me. SA
plus S bar WH.
SA is one answer. Okay, where am I? Then
SA plus.
तो 6 और 7 का आंसर है S bar WH. 6 और 7 is one pair. So this is for your 6 and 7 वाला pair. S bar WH.
And then S W bar H.
And this is your pair of which pair? This pair is
11, 10.
Don't know why these smileys appear, but can't help it. S W bar H. Okay, so this is C. Can you understand that quad gives you a simpler answer?
Yeah.
If you make a quad, you are getting answer in 2 variables, but if you make a pair, you are getting answer in 3 variables. So actually your answer here will be what? Because it is SOP, sum of products, your answer is SA plus S bar WH plus S W bar H. This is your answer.
Yes.
So if you solve this much, you will get 10 marks. My God, you're so lucky. Jill is saying, I formed the equation and also drew its logic circuit. Very good, you are going great. Okay, so this is the thing that you will have to do for 10 marks. If it is a 5-mark question, you will have to solve till this one. Yes, ये table. Okay, so whatever the question is, see the way I am. Whenever the exams will be conducted, I will ask you both type of questions: 5-mark question, 10-mark question. Because my job is to make you practice. Okay, so I will not leave the 10-mark question, thinking ke chalo kya ho jayega. It will not be asked. You can never take chance. You should know how to solve any question. Okay, so here this is the thing, and let us see if they have asked for the circuit also. Yes, they have asked for the circuit. Okay, I am going to show you the answer. I already had the answer with me. So I'm going to share it with you. This question was asked in 2014. So this is the answer. It is same as whatever we have done. Is this visible?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So here the truth table says 6, 7, 9, 10. See, the same way they are solving. They are writing the designation here to make your life simple. Then they are writing this full answer. Because the question was here. Write an SOP expression for X. So SOP expression क्या होता है? SOP expression is this. This S bar W H A bar. Now from where have they brought this S bar W H A bar? They have brought it from here.
0.
Like
Answer.
1, 1 and
1, 1.
If 0, then S bar.
You are
If 1,
doing.
then S.
Yes. Suppose this is true. So what are the terms here? 0, 1, 1, 0. Till here, 4 terms only. Yes. I think we have 4 minutes that are more than enough, 3 minutes. So the answer will be S is negative. Negative means
S
S
bar.
bar.
SOP.
S bar.
Then
W
A,
H.
Plus
W is positive.
A
Then
WH.
H. A bar.
A bar.
positive and A is negative. So this is the term. So here the term will be S bar
S bar W H
W
A.
H A.
H A. So here the term will be, we don't need this term, do you understand? क्योंकि zero है यहाँ. Here the answer S W
W
bar
S
bar
W bar H bar A.
A. Okay, here the answer is 1,
S
2,
W.
3.
W bar H A bar.
Zeros. S, sorry,
Either
S W bar H A bar. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Here S
Only
W
W
bar.
bar.
S W bar H A.
H A.
H A.
Now here we don't need this term. Please understand why.
Zero.
Because there's a zero
13th
here.
one, yes.
Here now. The answer is
S
S W H
S
bar
W H bar
A
A.
bar.
No, it is A.
A only.
Oh, sorry.
It is A.
Now
Now
last
last, we don't need this term.
No.
S W
S W H A.
S W H.
So S W H. So when you add all these terms, it becomes your SOP, sum of product. Yes. So this is the way. This is also same, but the thing is, we are writing numbers here. Here we are giving the term. So you should not take chance. You should write both the equations. Okay.
Yes.
Mani Patel and Rudra are not showing me their faces. I don't know the reason. Ishan has come, right? So let me stop.
My camera is on, ma'am.
Who? Dhwani? Then I cannot see you.
I don't know why, but my camera is on.
Okay. Let me see. I'll take the pic again because only 16 participants. So who has gone? Oh, Shishesh baby is gone. Oh, he's here. Then who is gone?
Shauna.
Purvam is here. Girls are very.
Madam, Parjanya is not there.
Parjanya, where is she? Okay, so absentees are only, I think, Ayush. Yes? Ayush Talpade. I will write his name in absentee. Okay, so what?
Parjanya.
Half minute left. Please complete some questions from the book. You need a lot of practice. Teaching will not be enough. Please understand. You need a lot of practice. After practice only, you will understand what are the doubts that you have, and then you can ask me And remember,
I'm sending you that
ID.
photo.
Any question you can ask me on my email.